Ready? Start. Learned Solicitor General, while seeking to oppose the petition, has made reference to the counter affidavit filed on behalf of the respondent. Stop. It is contended that though the High Court has held that there is no possibility of tampering the evidence and has not influenced any witnesses and has ultimately denied the bail, such conclusion is not justified. Stop. It is contended that the appellant, having held a very high position and also due to his status, is likely to influence the witnesses, and one of the witnesses had already indicated that he hails from the same state to which the appellant belongs and is not in a position to appear for the purpose of being confronted. Stop. Hence, even in that regard, it should be held against the appellant. Stop. It is further contended that even otherwise, despite holding the triple test in favor of the appellant, the gravity of the offence can be considered as a stand-alone aspect, as the gravity of the offence in a particular case is also important while considering bail. Stop. In that circumstance, the three aspects to be taken note is the manner in which the offence has taken place, gravity of the offence, and also the contemporaneous documents to show that the accused, either in custody or otherwise, wields influence over the witnesses. Stop. Hence, he contends that the finding of the High Court insofar as saying that the appellant has not tampered is factually incorrect. Stop. The learned Solicitor General further contends that the economic offences are graver offences which affect the society and the community suffers. Stop. The common man loses confidence in the establishment. Stop. It is contended that the investigating agency has collected documentary evidence such as emails exchanged between the co-conspirators on behalf of the appellant and documents to indicate investment of laundered money in Benami properties whose beneficial owners can be traced to the appellant and his family members. Stop. The respondent has also recorded the statement of material witnesses who are the part of process of money laundering. Stop. It is his contention that the appellant has knowledge of all these aspects and the material will show the shareholding pattern of the 16 companies. Stop. It is further contended that the learned judge of the High Court has referred to the documents produced in a sealed cover and in that light has arrived at the conclusion to deny bail. Stop. The High Court has, however, not properly considered while recording that a complaint is ready to be filed and therefore he would not influence the witnesses. Stop. Even if the complaint charge sheet is filed in 60 days, it is only to avoid default and the investigation, which is not complete, would continue. Stop. In that light, it is contended that when economic offences are premeditated, it would require detailed investigation to unearth material, and in such circumstances, if bail is granted, it would defeat the case of the prosecution. Stop. The learned Solicitor General has also referred to the decisions which would be taken not at the appropriate stage. Stop.